Hi, this is the 3D Pretty Warrior. Today I'm designing a toothbrush holder. One of my children keeps knocking her toothbrush off of the base, the charger base, and the toothbrush falls into the sink. And then because she is afraid of germs, I have to replace the head. So I'm going to create her a holder that helps prevent knocking the toothbrush off of the charging base. Here I am in the Choose 260, and I already have all of those measurements I was just showing you stored in here. Let's get designing. So normally I would create a sketch plate or sketch plane on the XZ plane here, and then draw a circle. But this time we're going to draw this with a revolve. So I'm going to start with a sketch plane on the ZY plane. And I will draw a line. So we want the charging base diameter divided by 2 plus core allowance. We want the charger base or charger height nominal. And then I'm going to do charger base charger diameter divided by 2 plus core allowance. From then I never held this space. I don't, so let's bring the jawline. Instead, I do know the angle like this. So let's do 40. And then I want it to connect here to this line. And then we'll finish it here. And split this and do solid. Oops. I accidentally clicked that wheel. So that's what we want, and this is here. And okay. So this is going to be pretty much the size of the base plus the allowance. Or actually want to surround the base. So we're going to do a shell. And then one on the outside. which is currently on a 2mm thick. And so the base should fit in here, and two more mirrors of plastic that should surround it. So next, want to create a gap for the charging plug. So we will create a sketch on the top. And I want a center point rectangle. And then just start it here. It's running or between the projection. Protect that. And then we want center point rectangle. Start it here. Let's add even. I don't know if it's not finding a halfway point, so let's create one. And then it was chord width. Lägger. Chord width plus we want allowance. Chord width plus allowance times 2. Then we just spot this. And we're going to create a solid extrude. Go and just slug here maybe. I think we will drop over down here. Okay. And then now we want all right. Let's go back to this plane and draw a line this way. Let's extrude these up. So in order for us to fit the charger into this holder, this can't be wider than the half so that the circle will fit in here, and then this does be as high as the complete charger itself. So we have charger crate total plus allowance. All right, so then we can start bringing this in because the charger will be able to fit in the here and then go down. So what I'll do next is draw a circle from the top. So let's create gray offset plane. Current offset it from this. Here we want the distance to be a brush point. Going by 2. The reason I'm saying brush length divided by 2 is because I don't think we need to surround the toothbrush all the way out and not. If we just support it at the halfway point, that shouldn't fall over, and then if we keep everything below the halfway point of the brush, then it also won't be top heavy. So we're going to finish our base, but no higher than half the height of the toothbrush. So then we'll create a sketch here. And we'll do a center point circle. Let's brush diameter plus what 2 times allowance. Actually, we don't want to be that tight. So let's do 4 times allowance. And then let's offset it by 2 milliliters. All right, let's draw a line separating them, separating it in half. And then let's make a cord hole for this too. So we're going to draw it from the top. And then we were cord with plus and then whoa, that's good. That's grand. That more. Extrude it down. But say -4. Alright, so now we just need to connect these two. I guess this is a good turn these all aloft. We probably need this to be 2 different pieces. Alright, so I'm not spill off these together and let's see what it looks like here. So that should work, providing the clog will fit through here. I think it will because it's not very deep, so we're going to tilt that at an angle. Great, I think we're done. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Please like this video. Thank you for subscribing. Have a good day.